This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Diane Keeley. Pristine condition and all the high-dollar items have been done. Roof 2013, HVAC replaced 2014 to 2015, water heater 2018, windows 2015 to 2016, all appliances and granite countertops in the last 2 years. Large pantry and eat-in kitchen. New vinyl flooring, carpet 2 years old, freshly painted and landscaped. Master suite includes garden tub, shower and his and her walk-in closets. Open, light, bright floor plan with neutral colors, patio and corner lot. Sought after neighborhood. No POA, only Civic League. For more information, review the details below or contact Diane Keeley at 7